Now, I normally don't do unboxings, but I'm making an exception for this Ryder Reserve RRR035 because they did such an awesome job packaging it. Now, I'm gonna be honest, I got this for free. Shit. Saw it online and wasn't too impressed. Let's do that. The pictures, just being transparent, the pictures suck. But getting it in hand, that blue carbon fiber, look at that. Change the pictures online. It looked so tacky, but in hand, and it sounds like a little Sabenza. Framelock, which I don't normally buy. I spent a lot of money at SMKW, so they sent me a few things. Centering's on point. The little ball bearing detent looking thing for the pocket clip makes it very nice in and out of the pocket. Look at that pocket clip. It said pocket a lot. The hardware's fancy. I think you need a fancy screwdriver. It's just a hex. Flipper, blue carbon fiber frame lock. Ryder Reserve RR035. I know because I had to just look it up to make sure I got the name right. It's still available. So if you're like me and you saw it online and you thought it just looked tacky, that's just the pictures in person. Look how clean. Damn. Tip down. Oh yeah, let's look. Oh yeah, it's only one way for the pocket clip, but that's okay if you're a right-handed person. But yeah, if you saw the pictures online and you weren't too impressed, like me, just honestly, it's amazing. Maybe I'll do a couple reels with like crazy music in the background.